Now it's time for a little magic. And wouldn't you agree that it would be a bit magical if I was able to balance 20 of these spikes on the head of just one of these spikes to commemorate our 20th season? Now, I did this back during our 13th season, and I was successful in balancing 13 nails, even won a few dollars off a few of my carpenters on showing them the trick. But that was 13 nails. 20, going to be quite a challenge. Let's get started with it. May be running out of room here. This is going to be tougher than I thought. I've got 2 left. I've got 1 left. Okay. Let's see if I can do it. There's 19. I got 19 nails balanced on the head of this. If I can put this one on it, this may even be a world record, but it'll definitely be a great celebration of our 20th season. There we go. 20 nails on the head of just 1 nail. See what I'm talking about? See what I'm talking about? Yeah, y'all didn't believe in me. You gotta believe. You gotta believe.
I had hope the whole time.
Where's my camera?